Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of the Mix Minute. My name's Tim and I'll be taking you down a journey of sound. So in this video, I want to continue my conversation about acoustics. Last time I talked about what kind of room you want to get into and what the mix position should be. So this time I want to talk about acoustic treatment, and that would be absorption, diffusion, and bass traps. So behind me in the center here, I have a bass trap. I have an absorption panel here, and then over here is kind of a combination absorber diffuser. Absorption panels are put on the wall to stop slap echo. So typically, whichever way our speaker's pointed, we want to have an absorber down behind us. The next place to put absorption is to the left and to the right of where we're sitting. That's going to stop the second reflection of echoes bouncing off the side walls and interfering with the stereo image. Pretty much every room in your house probably has 90-degree corners. So we defeat that with what we call bass traps. In the back wall behind me, this entire corner is filled with insulation and it's covered with a fabric cover. This prevents bass from building up in that 90-degree corner and creating a pressure wave which causes cancellation or room modes. Cancellation can reduce your ability to hear things properly in your mix position, which will end up causing your mix to be bass heavy as you try to overcompensate for the lack of bass that you hear. The opposite can also happen and your position has too much bass, which means your mixes will end up being too light as you try to dial back the bass that you're hearing. The best way to check your mix position and to check your acoustic treatment in your room is to listen to music that you know really, really well. And in your mix position, it should sound as good or better than you have ever heard it. The third main type of acoustic treatment are diffusers, and that means diffused sound waves. So if we have a flat surface, a sound wave evenly bounces off a flat surface. Where if the surface is bumpy or craggy when the sound wave hits it, it reflects in many different directions. That's diffusion. So in your control room, you want it to sound as natural as possible, which means a balance between bass traps, absorption, and diffusion. Again, go back to that favorite record, that favorite song. Listen to it over and over again. And if you can, move the acoustic treatment you're going to put up in different positions in the room to find the sweet spot where that song sounds better and better and better. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you're watching on a platform, throw me a thumbs up. Otherwise, check out more videos, and I'll see you next time.